name is Cole, they're made of rocks. I star in Thor Ragnarok, and today we're gonna be making Thor's hammer cupcakes.
Hey guys, today we're making Thor's hammer cupcakes. To start, make your cupcakes. You can use whatever you want. We just use this Betty Crocker cake mix. Okay, you're gonna want some pretzel sticks, you're gonna want some marshmallows, and you're gonna want some cupcakes and icing. So now you need to ice your cupcakes. Now that your cupcakes are all iced, you need to assemble your hammers. You just stab the marshmallow with the pretzel stick.
If you wouldn't laugh, I would laugh! Okay, we can do this. We can do this. Help!
That was something beautiful.
Oh my god, in my mouth right now.
Oh my gosh. Oh, I did it wrong. What's an iconic Thor line?
Welcome in the kitchen.